Welcome back to Side Hustles USA. Today's video is all about earning real money from home. No commute, no traffic, no wasted hours. Just your laptop, your skills, and opportunities that pay real cash. In this video, you'll discover work-from-home jobs that pay $20 an hour or more in the United States. These jobs are beginner-friendly, flexible, and available for anyone willing to work smart. Imagine waking up, making your morning coffee, opening your laptop, and earning over $20 an hour without leaving your home. This is already normal for thousands of people across the country, and you can do it too. Let's begin. Customer support representative. This is one of the biggest remote industries in the USA. Your work is simple: answer customer questions, solve basic problems, and help people understand products or services. You don't need a degree or advanced skills. If you can communicate clearly and stay calm, you're ready. Many companies offer paid training, stable hours, and starting pay between $20 and $28 per hour. Next, virtual assistant. Small businesses and entrepreneurs need help with scheduling, email management, social media, research, and organization. As a virtual assistant, you can choose your clients and build your own schedule. Most beginners start around $20 per hour, and many VAs grow to $30 or even $40 as their skills improve. Now, transcription. This job is simple. Listen to audio or video and type what you hear. You can choose general transcription, medical, or legal. For beginners, general transcription is the easiest. If you type fast and pay attention to detail, you can earn $20 to $25 per hour from home. Online tutoring. Parents and students across the USA need help with math, English, science, homework, and test preparation. You, Dan T, always need a teaching degree, just good communication and strong knowledge of the subjects you choose. Tutors easily earn $20 to $40 an hour, depending on experience. There are also great part-time options that fit into any schedule. Social media management, chat support, appointment setting, freelance writing, and video captioning can all pay around $20 an hour. Perfect for weekends or extra side income. Remote work in the United States is growing fast. Companies now understand that employees work better when they have flexibility. That means more job openings, higher pay, and more opportunities even for complete beginners. To get started, choose one job that feels right for you. Learn the basics. Apply to multiple platforms. Start small, grow slowly, and increase your rates with experience. The most important step is taking action. Thank you for listening. Save this video for later, share it with someone who needs extra income, and follow Side Hustles USA for more real work from home opportunities. Your journey starts today.